Hi Joseph, Spencer from Prime Motor Cars, Mercedes-Benz in Scarborough, Maine. A little earlier today we talked on the phone about the vehicle to my left. This is our 2017 Porsche 911 Carrera 4. I understand from our conversation we have a couple ideas as far as trading vehicles, and we'll figure out the logistics of that. But figured a video tour would give you a more personal look at this vehicle. So let's start with the front end. It's a beautiful, beautiful car. We have this gorgeous white exterior, nice LED headlights up front. We have those lower turn indicators as well, low aggressive front bumpers, parking sensors around that front bumper as well. The car is in fantastic condition, so we're not looking at any major damage, any major scratches or scrapes or dings here so far. I mean, really, truly a very well maintained vehicle. As we come along the side of the car, we'll start with the wheels. 5-spoke classic OEM Porsche wheels. Now you see what's important about these is how well they're taken care of. This ring around here, this lip to the rim, in fantastic condition. There's no major chips or edging on these wheels. They're in great shape. 27,000 miles, you wouldn't guess it looking at this model. Now moving along the rear of the car, we do have the top down right now. Figure a day like today deserves to have the top dropped. As we come along to the rear of the vehicle, beautiful tail lights. That Carrera 4 gets that signature strip LED tail light across the back, dual tip exhaust there on the bottom. Really kind of just gives the car a very aggressive, kind of sportier front end than your normal Porsche 911. So starting with the exterior, beautiful, beautiful car. Let's take a look at the interior. Inside the 911, we can take a closer look at the interior, and we'll start with our dashboard and steering wheel. Beautiful color interior, this kind of dark tan, nice dark brown upper dash and steering wheel. You'll see this kind of nice gloss wood trim across the dashboard and continuing onto the steering wheel as well. Really nice option, fits very well with the exterior colors, with the top down. Everything ties together very, very nicely. Of course, we have our manual 6-speed here, a nice addition that you don't see in as many modern cars as you used to. Makes the Porsche more of a driver's vehicle, which is of course kind of, you know, how they've been used for a long, long time. Heated and ventilated seats, automatic lights, automatic wipers, all of this stuff, extra comfort features you have in the vehicle. Of course, components like your navigation, Bluetooth, multimedia, dual zone climate control, all these things, everything you'd expect in the vehicle you'll have in this model. Adjustable rear spoiler, and of course, back to the performance side of this vehicle, you have that optional performance exhaust. So that button opens up the exhaust, really lets it breathe a little bit, makes it a lot more throaty, really changes the whole sound of the vehicle. Incredibly comfortable to drive. When you're not stepping on the gas pedal, it's smooth, it's quiet, it's controlled, it's contained. But when you really want to put your foot down and you accelerate, not that we'll do that in this video, but if you were to purchase the vehicle and drive it, you'll see that Carrera 4 really taking the next step up from the base 911 model. Wanted to put together just a quick little video tour, show you the ins and outs of the car. Happy to answer any questions you have. Like I said, I know we're kind of looking at different options for you regarding your vehicles and trading, so we'll follow up with more information on that. But of course, happy to answer any questions you have about this model. So again, my name is Spencer. My cell phone number 207-210-4796, or I'm available via email. My email is sroe, that's SROE, @driveprime.com. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed.